Hi folks, we're back in here. We're going to pick up where we left off. Now, I'm looking at this, and we actually do not need any columns along this outside because these walls, precast panels that we're going to use, they support themselves basically. So I'm going to remove these guys. And I don't think we may need those, but we don't need any of these columns here. So I'm going to delete these out, and what we're going to do, we're just going to place the wall here. We do need, I have to check with the structural engineer here, but for now I'm going to take them out because I think it can be supported off the wall. The wall is another structure. Remember, that's the beauty of precast, depending on design and engineering. So here, these are out. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to our first level, and we're in structural. We're in structure, still in structure model. So in the project browser, let's go to level 1 here. Now here in level 1, and let's window tile these so we can see this in 3D. See what's happening here. It's a little crazy in structure. Okay, so now we need to add a structural wall around the perimeter of this building, and then we need to kind of figure out where the openings are based on an architect's model. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in and go to structure. I'm going to go to structural wall here, and in the properties we'll find a exterior concrete. There you go. For now it's 10, but we're going to make it bigger. We're going to probably go a foot or maybe more. And now here, up here, you see it says basement level, and this is depth. We don't want to say depth. We want to go with height. Okay, and then my height is going to be level 2. Okay, so then I'm going to place this wide center line, and that would be right on the grid. So I'm going to go here, okay, and place this wall right up to there. You probably, yeah, I guess we need those columns. And then we're going to take this other one here. And then we'll come down there. So there's our walls, basically. Okay, gotta get another one over here. And okay, now these are our structural walls that we're going to turn into panels, precast panels. But of course, we don't have the full height. We have a roof that's to contend with, and a second level. So what I'm going to do right now here is we need to probably look at the architect's model, or what we can focus on here is our openings. But if we go into our north elevation, let's see, we'll go here, my properties, project browser. I want to go to my north elevation here and just see what's kind of happening. Okay, so there's our level 1 and a level 2, so we need to add a roof level. So the best way to do that is to go grab the architect's model. I think I have it loaded in here. I hope I do anyway. So I will go to my manage links. Don't have it loaded in. So I'm going to just go to insert here. Insert link. Hope it's somewhere close. Oh, nope, it's not. Okay, so here, yeah, I think I have it. Okay, here. Okay, yeah. Sorry, folks. Drawings. And okay, and the architect's model is this. So we're going to grab that model and bring it in here, and then we're going to get the height. Okay, now here we need to add this height. So in the architect's model, he says, okay, the roof is 28 feet high. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go into my architecture and datum here and just say, I want to go another level here. I'll just go right here and bring it over there. It can be a little higher. We can change this whatever we want. We might push it up a little higher. And we'll just say, click that, rename it, and we'll call that the roof. Okay. And we'll say yes here. So really right now the architect's model can just go away. We can, or we'll leave it here just if we need it, just in case. So we'll go into our manage links, and here we'll just say unload. All right. So now we have our model, our frame here. We're going to 3D view here. Okay, now of course we had to do our second level, and then we got a stair that's going to come into play here and everything. I don't know if we want to rock with that right now, but I'll tell you what we can do. We will need supports between here and here, and it's all the plank. It's going to do all this. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to level 2. And we'll do another beam system here. We're still in the structural model. But then, you know, I got to think about this stair. I think this is going to be open in this area. But we got to look at that in the next video series, because I'm not sure what's going to happen. This is the first level was good, but here we got to get a sense. We got to consider a stair here. So to do that, what I'm going to do is leave it here. Sorry, folks, my bad. But we can do this now. We're going to, since we have our upper level, our roof, so I'm going to select this wall and I'm going to hit tab. Okay, and then the properties, I want to push these walls all the way up to the roof. So that's going to be the height of our precast panel, and then the second floor structure is going to be basically like this for now. We're going to allow level 2. I don't know yet. We had to go coordinate with the architect about the stairs and other things, but we do need support in this area. And then we need to look at our roof here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to level 2. And we can do a beam system here. But this time, this plank can be smaller. We can go to 6 inch here. Yep, at least, yeah, that would be good. And we'll just go here. And we need some over in this area here. But we need to look at, yeah, we'll need a beam there or something, because, yeah, that's what's got to happen. So, anyway, folks, thanks for watching the video. We're going to look at this in our 3D view, see what we're rocking with here. Okay, so here, now what has to happen We need another beam here because this area is going to be a featured area, and then I think we're going to have some openings here for our stairs. Just don't know right now. Let's go back into level 2. And I'm gonna leave that there, and I'm gonna go to my 3D view now, and I'm gonna beam right from here to here. I wonder if I can do that. Yep, I'm gonna probably need to add a column here at least, so I can I can fit this opening here. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Start from this video series from the beginning. You'll get a lot out of it. And then here, we need to get our openings together here. So let me rock with this for a minute. This is still working on our structure model, but you're going to make these in the panels. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Be safe.